Refrigeration is an essential ingredient in the food and beverage supply chain, ensuring your products are delivered as fresh as possible. But in-room refrigeration has a number of drawbacks. The FPHE FPHER penthouse evaporator from Johnson Controls is the ideal solution for smart, sustainable buildings. The new series fits precisely onto the footprint and openings of our previous rooftop freezer units. And the penthouse design reduces the risk of ammonia contamination inside your refrigerated space. This rooftop location increases the amount of usable refrigerated space, and maintenance is easier and safer, with no need for a scissor lift from inside the space. The newly updated FPHER design also comes with a range of additional benefits. Lighter and smaller than the rooftop freezer units, and thus easier and more cost-effective to ship. The access doors are now larger and extend lower, providing easier access for maintenance and service. The low-voltage junction box is now outside, eliminating unnecessary electrical penetrations and potential condensation. Heated doors prevent freezing, and a rubber roof membrane prevents water, air, or ice from degrading the integrity of the insulated enclosure. The FPHER even looks smarter, thanks to its weather and scuff-resistant unpainted gray shell. To ensure a seamless experience selecting the right products and configurations, the FPHE Coolware platform is ready and waiting to help. This is just the start. A whole new generation of FPHE roof-mounted industrial solutions is coming soon.